which one first?
You can that one or the middle one.
Which one? This one?
Either one.
Oh. Oh. What's this?
Card.
Henry, you were a really good sport.
Wishing a special little someone the biggest and bestest birthday ever. Love, Mom and Dad. And brother Henry, too. But what's this, though?
No.
Whoa! Ho-ho-ho! Whoa!
What is that?
It's a little hat. Oh, me! Whoa!
You don't want to put it on?
O-O-M-G. O-M-G. What the? Oh, yeah, that's so wet. Yep, I had to need it. Oh, yeah. The helmet pig. It's the helmet pig. Holy moly, it's heavy. Whoa, the helmet.
No, it's your iPod in an iPod station.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and this one. Oh, I already had this. But it's okay. I love it. Man! Uno! Let's see.
Is that Angry Birds?
Oh!
Man, this is an Angry Birds birthday.
It's time to put on the hat, Mom.
Yes.
Awesome. Angry Birds. Headphones. Man! I'm getting a bunch of pictures.
So do you want me to exchange the black one for something else, baby?
Atlantis. SpongeBob. Oh, the Wii game. The Wii game, yeah. There's something that's not, you know. Whoa. Oh, what is it? It's Angry Birds. Tinny Toppers. It's Tinny Racer. Oh, yeah, and I forgot the ski chain. I have another one. I can't believe that.
So you have two. Well, do you want me to take this back and get you a white one, Jack?
Yeah, yes, I don't know.
Yeah, yes,
Oh, yeah! Angry Birds. I mean, Sonic. Niche. What's this?
Oh my, that is the thing right there.
Uh-oh. It's an Xbox, I think. Oh my gosh. Best birthday ever.
Jack, you know what that is?
What? It's a video camera.
Camcorder.
It's your own video camera.
And it downloads to YouTube.
Holy golly! What the crap! Best birthday! Yeah. Happy birthday for me.
Yeah,
And I'm the best celebrate early birthday. Well, it's Sunday. Well, I'm gonna have it on my birthday on Tuesday. Bye bye, YouTube fans. Bye.